People always ask me whether you can use mindfulness in assemblies, and I always say yes. I've used it with more than 500 children in an assembly, and they're very simple strategies. What you need to do is first get some meditation music playing in the background as the children are entering, that soft, soothing, calm music. And as they're entering, I like to use a strategy called Follow Me, where as they're listening to the music, I have them focus on me, and I do various hand motions, and they repeat those hand motions through the time that all the children are settling in. So as soon as they walk in the hall, they see it, and they start focusing on that. Then I get them to do some nice deep breathing and reminding them of the inhaling, and then using hands to focus on exhaling, reminding them to relax their shoulders and to just focus on the breath itself. Then once that's done, we may do a little bit of starfish, inhaling and exhaling, just that finishing off of focusing them, and then we begin our assembly and we're ready to go.